Purezidenti Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yaasiiba ebiro mu kyanga kya Busoga arikusherura obushagiki kandi eriizooba yaasiiba mu disitulikiti ya Bugweri hamwe na Namutumba. President Museveni wabashendekerezi bw'omukazi we Janet Museveni yayakirwa omuhwezi wa Prime Minister Rebecca Kadaga, Minister w'enshonga z'obwa President Milly Babalanda hamwe n'abandi bebembeza hagati ya Kara hamwe n'amashemerera.
Ensonga eri babisa bubi wodi bali tubamugamu abasaza n'abakyala kandi usaba tebe priority yona tubyetagaye ensonga eyo ndikusaba gikolere ku bwangu.
Take a qualitative leap of transformation as we go forward.
Era ku ekyo tukuba nti tutwala leap oba omutindo ogututwala mu maiso.
So I want to thank you, the people of Bugweri, for knowing that this day is important for us and you came in person.
Mama alikutwala okubeebaza olw'okuyida mu bungi muti nga mumanye ti luno olunaku lwa mugaso ino yetuli.
You didn't say others will tell me what happened. You came here in person so that you know what the government has done in the past and what it is going to do in the future because you are part of that government.
President Museveni yagambira enkuyanja y'abantu kuyarwanira omu kyanga kya Busoga omu mwaka gwa 1973 arikurwanisa abaheekera ba Idi Amin abu yaasingwire kandi akareetaho obusinge.
I was here in 1973 fighting Amin here in Bugweri here.
Yali wano mu mwaka 1973 nga bakaali mu nsiko balwana.
With engineer Kasada.
Ni engineer Kasada.
Here in Busesa, somewhere there, we went inside there.
Wano mu Busoga wane eyo munda.
Then we went to Mayuge.
Baje Mayuge.
Then Jinja.
Bayira kwe Idinda.
So I want to salute the families in Busoga who worked with us fighting Idi Amin.
President Museveni araganisa ko arikuza kushakika district ya Bugweri n'ebyoma by'okukora enguto hamwe no kubasyaho obundi obuheereza nk'amaizi marungi eby'obwegyese hamwe n'ebyamagara.
On the health centers,
ku by'obulamu
there is one health center for
waliyo health center erwaliro irala
Area Health Center 4.
Area Health Center 4. Eriyo omwaliriro gw'okuna.
Eriyo kusaza.
Eriyo kuisaza.
Then there are 10 health center, 6 health center series.
Era waliyo amalwaliro mukaaga nga gali ku health center 3 status.
Kumagomborora.
Muigomborora.
Now the plan
enteekateeka
eri upgrade
yakwongeraku
upgrade Busesa Health Center 4 to General Hospital.
Omar Namutumba nawe yayakirwa enkuyanja y'abantu aha kitebe kikuru kya district ya Namutumba kandi okuyabashaba okwega empinga y'omutindo rero bakareka kushisha n'ebyobuhangwa bari kubihingamu omuceeri.
Have 1 acre of coffee.
Bane eka ndale ya omwani.
Have 1 acre of fruits.
Bane eka ndale y'ebibala.
Have 1 acre of pasture for zero grazing cows.
Bane eka ndale y'eisubi eri ebyente.
Have 1 acre of food for the family.
Bane eka ndala nga yamere ya family.
In the backyard you put poultry for eggs.
Emiyandu yayiza y'enkoko ku lw'amagigado.
Then if you are not a Muslim or traditional Munyankwere, put pigs.
President Museveni nagumiza mu kwetoorora ihanga obwa rukuronda obushagiki okugaruka kuba President wa Uganda omu karuuru ak'enkumi 2026. Amakuru aga gashakwa Elias Rutugusa.